So this is Microsoft PC Manager, and I have no idea what to expect. Apparently, it's a free app made by Microsoft that's supposed to clean up your PC, speed it up, manage startup apps, check your security, basically everything Task Manager and settings already do, but in one place with one click. And that's the part I want to test. Does one click actually do anything real, or is this just a button that looks good and does nothing? So I'm going to find it, install it, and check the numbers before and after. So let's find out. Before I install PC Manager on my computer, let's check here the statistics on the Task Manager. You can see the memory is at 47%, and then we have the CPU at 15 currently to 7. I think this is pretty good, and let's also check the processes here. So now we have here 148 processes here running in the background. It jumped to 166, 168 currently, and the utilization here is at 34, 36. So processes 167. So right now let's install PC Manager. Let me open up the browser here and let's search for Microsoft PC Manager. Here we already have the first website, Microsoft PC Manager. Safeguard your PC in a quiet and reliable way. But apparently here for some reason it says coming soon, compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11 as you can see. And then here we have some really cool screenshots, but for some reason I don't have an option here to go to the Microsoft Store. So let's go back and let's go here instead to the Microsoft Store. Maybe here we will find an option. This product is unavailable in your market. What if I click here on View in Store, open in Microsoft Store? Yeah, unfortunately this product is not currently available. Try again later. Maybe I will have to look for offline installers. Maybe let's go here. Let's search here for download major gigs. Maybe this one has it. I guess this is the version right here, 3.21.7. And what if I click here on download? Where will this take me? For some reason right now it's loading, but what if I click here on download major gigs? Oh, it already started to download the setup.exe files. Here it is, MSPC Manager setup.exe. Let's click on it. Welcome to Microsoft PC Manager public beta. Install. What if I click on install? Please agree end user license and privacy agreements first. So let's check mark this, install, and now it's installing. I guess this is a success. And now I got an error. Failed to download the installation files. Please try again later. For some reason it does not work. How to download Microsoft PC Manager offline installer? Initially you must find the app URL within the Microsoft Store. Then I will have to go, oh, here we have some additional steps. So let's go here to this website, and if I go here we can copy this URL, and now let's go here back and let's paste this inside. And if I click on check mark, maybe here it will find the setup file, and I think it's this one, MSIX bundle. So let's click on the file and hopefully the download will start, and here it is, install PC Manager. Let's click on restart as administrator. Yes, now it's loading. Let's click on install, and maybe right now it will actually work. So it's already at 99%. PC Manager is ready, and maybe right now it will actually launch. Oh, and it's right here. Welcome to Microsoft PC Manager. Automatically start Microsoft PC Manager when I sign in into Windows. Let's leave this one check mark, and then we have restore default settings for Windows. This includes settings for your taskbar, lock screen, background. What if I uncheck mark this and let's click on get started? Welcome to Microsoft PC Manager 3.21. We have PC boost feature, free up resources to help your PC run faster. And we already have here 1.1 gigabytes of temporary files and 60% of memory usage. What if I click here on boost? Right now it's boosting, and we already have 0 kilobytes of temporary files, and memory usage is at 61%. For some reason it went up. So that is strange. And then we have health check. What if I click on this? Health check in progress. Scanning PC information. I guess right now it's doing something, and we have 1.8 gigabyte space can be freed up. What if I click on this? So we have Windows log files. This is 825 megabytes. Then we have delivery optimization files. So we can pretty much remove everything here. Optimizing space cleanup, optimizing please wait patiently. PC status is good. So I guess this is it. Let's continue here with the process. We have Microsoft Start Feed Provider. Let's end this widget service. Let's also end this widget board end Microsoft OneDrive. Let's also end this one. Microsoft Edge. Let's end. So right now we have 0 processes in here. So right now it's good. So 0. Deep uninstall. So we can also remove all these apps. Let's try to remove Copilot here. Uninstall. Uninstalling. Click yes on this. Uninstalled. So I guess right now it's gone. And what if we go here to the protection, virus and threat protection? We have default browser, which is Helium, taskbar repair, whatever that means. What if I go here to storage, apps, toolbox settings, show toolbar on the desktop? What if I click on this? Oh, it has this really cool widget and we can put it, for example, here, and it then shows here like this. So that is pretty cool. And then it shows you here the network speed. You can click on the boost button and it will boost your computer. Wow, that is pretty cool. And then we have here snipping tool, I think. Yeah, that is the snipping tool. Then we have here, what is this, notepad? Yeah, it opens the notepad here. And then we have the Microsoft Edge and it opens up here a few of the presets. So that is pretty cool. And you can even search the web. What if I click on this, add tools? We have PC boost. Let's add, for example, calculator here and maybe the weather as well. So you can also go here to the weather and calculate things as well. So I think that this is pretty cool. What if we go here back down below? We have restore options, looking for issues. Clawboard. Clawboard provides a centralized view of installed Claw and AI agent app status, whatever that is. So if I go here to the settings, we have smart boost setting. Microsoft PC Manager will automatically boost your PC when high usage of RAM or there are 1 gigabyte of temporary files. Let's enable this. And then application usage duration. Once enabled, you can view app types and usage trends in health check to keep your PC healthy and efficient. Let's also here leave this turned on. Okay, so I think that this is it and I think it works surprisingly well. So after optimizing my computer with this program, as I said here right now, we just freed a few of the temporary files. Let's go here to the task manager to see pretty much the statistics. If I close here the PC manager, we are currently running here at 50 or 29 for 5% of the CPU, 61 on the memory, 0 disk and 0 network. And I think that this is pretty good here, to be honest. So yeah, I think it's quite a good program for optimizing your PC. And you can just simply go here and enable this toolbox, which I think it's also super useful. So if you go here and go to the AI toolbox and make sure that you here go and enable it, and then it will show you here this. And you can pretty much optimize your PC by clicking this button, which I find quite useful actually. So yeah, if you want to delete some of the temporary files, delete some of the programs and have this optimize option on your desktop, I think you should definitely give this program a go. One unfortunate thing is that it's unfortunately available in some countries, not every country. Like here in Europe, I don't think it's available, but in US, I think you can straight download it from the Microsoft Store. Let me open up the task manager and let's take a look here at the processes as well. So right now 148 after the optimization with the PC manager, which I think it's pretty useful, to be honest. I will leave a download link for it in the video description down below. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below as well, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.